casual. Would that still work or not?
Hey Siri, can you turn this up just a little bit more?
Oh no, I need you to try it. No, I'm just kidding.
After all I've done for you?
What'd you say? That we need to go.
What's good? I'm Noah Thomas.
And I'm Brian Farmer from Highsnobiety.
And we just checked out Apple's brand new item, the HomePod.
What'd you think?
Man, it was incredible.
I was impressed.
And look, man, the things this thing can do, mind-blowing.
Yeah, it could change your life.
It will change your life.
Let's go check out what we got here. This is it.
Dude.
Smaller than you thought, right?
It's freaking gorgeous.
It's got 7 tweeters in it.
Really?
6 microphones. Should be able to hear us. We can control a bunch of stuff. We're going to show people. There's a 4-inch subwoofer at the top that's specifically designed by Apple only for the HomePod. And it actually has a 20mm peak in terms of movement up and down, which is ridiculous for a speaker this size. It's honestly very impressive. It's like a soft touch mesh. You can't even really see through it. You know how sometimes with the mesh, you're looking at it, you can kind of see the speaker system inside. You really can't see it, which is nice. According to Apple, you can't remove the case, but search on YouTube. We're going to take this case apart. It's nice. The touch is also on top. If you want to activate Siri, oh yeah, you pause it. Oh, you got to hold. Hey Siri, can you play NPR?
Here's the latest news from NPR.
What?
Yeah, no, it's lit. Hey Siri, can you turn up the volume to 10%?
Memo alleging surveillance abuses by
Yo, it's clear, bro. You heard the memo? You heard the memo?
I heard that.
It's clear.
Memo
It's crisp.
gang.
Yo,
Memo
let's see
gang.
what else we could do with this HomeKit stuff. Any of the iDevice, I don't know if it's a
Hey,
converter,
Siri, good morning.
plug into a wall and then you plug in a device to it to make it smart. You can use that with HomePod. So even if your kettle at home isn't like a smart kettle, you plug it into this iDevice, you plug it into the wall, and now HomePod can pick it up. And you can tell Siri, hey Siri, good morning, and it turns on your kettle.
Thank you, Siri. I actually think it's important that we do say that for all of the people that are a little skeptical about having a HomePod kind of
like that's always
technology in
listening.
their home, you have to say, hey Siri. So you can't just say, put on this song or close the blinds, open the blinds. You have to say, hey Siri, because if you don't say, hey Siri, it will not know that you're talking to it, so it's not paying attention to what you've got going on. 2
beautiful colors, 4-inch subwoofer, all proprietary tech specifically for HomePod. It's amazing. And also all that tech allows it to adjust wherever it's in the room, right? So like if you put it close to the wall, it's not gonna play the same as if it were in the center. The reason for that is it knows that there's gonna be a little bit of reverberation from the wall, so it adjusts the way that it sends out the audio, the beaming audio, as they like to call it. Yo, no, what's good, dude?
It's freaking Bridget, man.
What's up with Bridget now?
She just sucks, man. It's over. It's just really done.
Dude, I've never seen you like this. What do you mean?
Hey Siri, can you close the shades?
Dude, it's like that?
Okay, there you go.
We gotta, dude, you're that depressed?
Dude, I'm so sad. Hey Siri, can you please put on some sad breakup music?
For real?
Ah, that's the pits. Here's some music for breaking up.
Dude, you need me to call Bridget?
No, I don't want to freaking call Bridget.
Pause the music. Bro, this can't be what it is, dude.
It's what it is.
Don't let Bridget affect you like this, man.
Dude, she's affected me so much.
Bro, it's Friday. HomePod drops February 9th. Hey Siri, open the shades. We're gonna get some good music playing.
Opening the shades, dude. I just want to sit in the dark, bro.
No, man. We're gonna get some light in here. Get you some vitamin D or vitamin C, whatever the hell sun gives you. Hey Siri, play something by Trick Daddy.
Sure thing.
Bro, this always gets you in the mood.
Trick Daddy.
You feel it? Do you feel it though, man? You gotta let the sunshine in, Noah. You gotta let the sunshine in, Noah. Hey Siri, talk to me about this artist. Tell me a little bit about this artist.
This is Trick Daddy with the track into Wind.
Hey Siri, play some Bruno Mars.
Okay, here's some Bruno Mars, picked just for you.
Ooh. Hey Siri, play at 5% volume. Ooh, that works great, dude.
That's so good.
That's so good.
That's so good.
Hey Siri, tell me a little bit about this artist.
This is Bruno Mars with the track Finesse.
Hey Siri, tell me about this album.
Bruno Mars' long-awaited return as one of the most spirited, sonically cohesive, and danceable albums of 2016.
Would you
Shall
agree?
I continue?
I would most definitely
Please
agree.
continue. Please continue. Tell me
Please.
more.
Moving away from the new wave flirtations of 2012's chart-topping unorthodox jukebox, the singer, songwriter, musician fills 24-karat magic with the feel-good vibes of 80s and 90s R&B.
Okay, Siri. Hey, Siri. Are you single?
I'm married to my work.
Ooh. Like us. What'd you think, dude?
It was sick. Amazing, honestly.
Must cop?
Must cop. February 9th it drops.
$349 in the US, available at UK and Australia beginning February 9th. Pre-order now.
Right
and
now.
It'll be available in France and Germany come this spring.
Yep.
I'm
Peace.
Brian Farmer. This is Noah Thomas,
Out.
aka Noah Jobs, aka Noah Cook, aka Apple's finest.
Tech
And
sommeliers.
See ya. Can you set a reminder for February 9th?
Okay, just tell me what you want to be reminded about.
Apple HomePod release, $349 in the US, available in France and Germany in spring, US, UK, Australia, right now. Pre-order that.
Okay, I added Apple HomePod release 349 in the US, available in France and Germany in spring, US, UK, Australia to the reminders for February 9th, 2008
That's pretty good.
at 9 a.m.
That's pretty good.
Phenomenal.
I was just spitting stuff.
But she knows that.
She knows that.
You don't think
Yeah.
she knows that, fam? She
Yeah.
knows when she's gonna be at everybody's house.
Yeah. Yo, it's good. Buy it. You'll want it.
Peace.